First, you want to align the arrows with the grooves. Then feed the line in one side and it'll come out the other side. Make sure that both lines are equal in length. In order to bring the line in, you have to wind it clockwise. Yours may be different, just follow the arrows. If that doesn't work for you, you can take the head off. Feed the string from one end to the next. Then put it in the first hole. Then the second hole. Tighten it back up. Then twist clockwise again. If you found this video useful, please subscribe. Thank you. This video is sponsored by MexMunch. Go to mexmunch.com and use code PINATA for 10% off your first box.